Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the A&D Auto and Small Engine Repair channel. This is part 2 of the MTD Yard machine drive cable repair video. The repair has been made and this is what we did. Just wanted to follow up. We fixed the cable, we attached it here, the new cable, 2 cable securements. Goes up around the pulley, goes up further, 2 more cable securements, then it goes up to the control. So now there shouldn't be any more problems with the drive cable. And this is a lot cheaper than a normal replacement cable that you would get for an MTD Yard machine snowblower of any kind. They average between $10 to $25. They also come with securements. But for this, I went to my local Tractor Supply and I bought 8 feet of cable, which was way more than I needed, but it's 50 cents a foot. And I bought 4 securements, totaling $10. Again, you can get away with about 5 feet or less. This is just to repair the broken area. So to save money, that's what we did. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button. We appreciate it if you enjoyed the video. This is another one by A&D Auto and Small Engine. Have a great night, and Happy New Year, everybody.